So one of the things that we do at a liberal arts college is we teach students or persuade students they ought to take ideas from one discipline and apply them to another. And science disciplines have been using laboratories for a long time, right? And they found them to be very helpful, very instructive, to be not just an adjunct to learning, but really the lead part of the learning process. And I hope that we get an opportunity to take that rather simple idea that sometimes you can test things out and take that beyond the scientists and let some students in other disciplines learn that as well.
The metaphor of a lab suggests collaboration, suggests experimentation. We're a reasonably small, intimate group. We have about 1/3 of the total faculty from arts and humanities planning to come today, so it should be a nice, intimate conversation with people who are invested in this idea and want to create programming for it and are hoping to get a shared idea of the vision. And we're going to move from abstract to concrete. That's the idea. We'll think big and then we'll think, how does this apply for us? That's the format.
When the Mellon Foundation approached us, we were able to pull together a number of the things that we were already doing involving project-based learning and collaborative learning among faculty and student-to-student learning, and we were able to pull those things together under the big umbrella of the Humanities Lab. And we feel like this is a great way for us not only to advocate for a liberal arts education at Albion College, but this is also a way for us to advocate for the arts and humanities nationally.
Two of the labs in particular are focused on the town of Albion and local community engagement, and I'd say two of the pilot labs engage publicly with a broader audience or themes that are more universally applicable, although they certainly have local resonance as well. One is focused on the Albion community and in particular models of sustainable living. Students in these courses will be looking at models in other towns like Albion about how people have found ways to live sustainably in their community, and also looking at the way that the arts and humanities in particular offer contributions to people about thinking about sustainability. Another one focused on Albion in particular is called the Albion Accelerator Project. The Albion Accelerator is designed to create spaces right here in town, possibly right downtown on Superior Street, that would create useful connections between these different communities and along the way enhance economic development in Albion.
I think I have great faith that when really bright faculty members and enthusiastic, idealistic students start working with any community, but in particular a local community, good things are going to happen. And we can't really predict in advance what those are going to be. I think that as soon as we start doing things in the community and we find out what's important in the community and we start applying that to what our faculty and students know, there's going to be, a floodgate opened of projects that we